Assalamu alaikum, all GSM 10. Today's subject TECNO C8. First file 100% tested. Hang logo, date mode repair, display black screen. Others problem this solved. Okay. Download in one WhatsApp are not 24-hour service. Okay. Any problem in one WhatsApp are not 24-hour service. Next, Realme Naju 35G RMX 3242. Last file 100% trusted, reform okay. Now see complaint DM verify fail others complaint hang logo. Date mode repair auto on off. This file 100% trusted. Now see download. In one WhatsApp are not 24-hour service. At first my GSM pen. My YouTube channel subscriber like and comment on Facebook share. I am very confused. The YouTube description no link, just comment box check now. Any your others problem this solve any problem. Even WhatsApp start now. Emergency or file need just you see Google. This Google now right Borsha Mobile. Okay. Just a minute wait Borsha Mobile. The Borsha Mobile blogger site, LinkedIn, Facebook, others challenge no problem. Just blogger site is one click now. Okay, one click now. This any problem, this model now. You want to see C8. This model C8 is now see C8 search bar. This blogger search bar magic system only one click. Okay, this system. Again your file name now see RMX 3242. Now see easy RMX 3242. If magic system la no problem. One click la. Okay. This data unlock file, this flash file need. Okay, just click. Okay, all GSM friend, any problem, human WhatsApps are not 24-hour service. At first, my YouTube channel subscribe and like and Facebook here. My file 100% working, don't worry. I am promised my file is tested. Goodbye.